This video shows the best way to identify which folder an email is in after using search. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of folders in my mailbox, and these are all under the mailbox, and the list goes on. Okay, that's about the end. So there are some that are even shrunk up, but if you see, I have a bunch. So anyway, sometimes you may store an email and you create folders so you can organize your stuff, obviously, but every once in a while you have stuff that doesn't necessarily need a folder, but it also doesn't necessarily make sense in a single folder. Like, it's hard to figure out, should I put it here, should I put it there, and then, a year later, which folder did I pick, or where did I put that, and when did I exactly get that? It's hard to find. So that's what search was added for to your email, and we use this all the time because it makes it so much easier to find stuff. But the one thing that happens when you use search is when you get the result of this search, at the top you have like received and then from and the subject, and this is where, basically where you're trying to find, is this what I'm actually looking for? And the problem is you don't know where it lives. Right now, it's basically, these are all just links inside of your search because you use the search box, and see here it says close search. So these are not really the items in their folders. It is a link to a bunch of items that could be anywhere. I mean, they could be, every one of these could be in a different folder. And so it's not obvious. If I were to open it and look at something and then later realize I need it again, I could search again, that's fine, but I also still don't know where the email actually is. And so using search over and over can be kind of frustrating. So what you can do instead is I could click on this email to highlight it. So I'm on that one and click Alt and Enter at the same time. And Outlook will give you the actual folder, the email properties, and that includes the folder that it's in. So this one happens to be in the marketing folder. And so it tells you about it. It tells you when you sent and received and all the things about this email that you would want to know, including the title. But the most important piece is the location. It tells you the location. So this is how you can find the location of an email that you found during search. In case you might even want to be moving a bunch of emails to somewhere else, but you don't know where they are, and trying to move them out of search results and stuff can be kind of messy. So if you want to actually locate the actual folder that the email lives in, this is the best way to find that information. That's how you do it. It's really simple. Just Alt and Enter on your keyboard, which is the best way to identify which folder an email is in after using search.